name is Arun Firdaus Turmit, and this is my paper or my research with co-author Arjun Turmit. I'm from Informatic Engineering Faculty of Engineering and Computer Science, Unicom, and Arjun Turmit from Indonesian Institute of Science, Bandung. And this is our paper, namely development of online ticket booking application for ferry crossing website based in urban area. Introduction. As you can see, this is Toba Lake and this is long queue which is happened in Toba Lake. And Toba Lake is very interesting in terms of geotourism. Toba Lake is source of life for the surrounding communities such as fishing grounds and as a wide form for tourism activity. As you can see, this is there are tourists and people in Toba Lake. At the selling point of the Thomas of course start from efficient and fast service process. One of them is ticket booking queue service at the car dock on the Lake Toba. The problem in the field. For this reason, a new queuing system is proposed, which is an online ticket booking system where motorists don't need to come to dock or to order ticket, but simply access the online ticket booking website and order ticket. In addition, the ticket buyer can see the ferry departure schedule in real time and can choose the desired departure schedule as long as it is available. The online ticket booking application is also a form of information technology, and the implementation of this information technology, its development will significantly improve management efficiency in tourism. An electronic payment system also needs to be implemented. Electronic payment technology offers opportunities and challenges. The biggest challenge for using online payment is security and debt. The research method used is descriptive research method. In an online ticket booking application development, the model used is waterfall. Waterfall, there are 5 passes. The first pass is communication, which is communication with the customer to achieve the goals to be achieved. Then planning, explain about results needed to make the system. And modeling is a stage of designing a modeling system. And construction is the process to translating design form to code form. And deployment is the stage of implementing software to the customer and repairing software and evaluating. The proposed ticket booking queue system is the motorist or tourist can order ticket online without having to queue. So that is more effective and can find out the remaining schedule slot on the ferry departure schedule. There are 6 interfaces we create. Is register account, login account, booking ticket, payment confirmation, download and print the ticket, and then cancel booking. We use UML as a system design. So as you can see, this is use case diagram. So user can do register, login, booking, payment confirmation, and cancel. An employee can manage. DSD is a tools we use to make system by the data stream that are used or each entity outside the system. This is DFD level 1, as you can see, and this is website interface of online ticket booking system. There is register system, there is register interface, login interface, and then after login you can see the password and you can choose, and then there are schedules that you can choose. After that you can fill the form. After you fill the form, you will see the detail of your form. And then you do payment confirmation, and after you do payment confirmation you can download a ticket and you can print it, and when you print it you can bring to the locker, and this the detail of the departure and detail of the passengers in online ticket booking system. The question, after going through the steps of design, implementing, until testing, it can be concluded as follows. The application build can display departure schedule equipped with the remaining vehicle slot in a departure in real time and make it easy. Make it easy to book ticket without having to go to ticket window. Online ferry ticket booking. Online ferry ticket booking application on Lake Toba is very useful for tourists, especially during the holidays where there is always a long queue that they hear. Thank you for your attention. Enough. Good afternoon. My name is Farid.